Alright guys, here the air conditioners visited at the church again in colder weather. So, here's the Heil. Scott Emerson Copeland scroll. And today is the day that the Carrier logo is coming off of here. Goodbye. Now, I'm actually going to wait until I get a Heil logo. Now, I have that Tempstar logo, but oh great. I can just get it back on there. It needs to snap on. I need both of them to snap on it. Oh goodness. Okay. But yeah. Still the so-called Carrier. Now I do have a Tempstar logo, but I kind of wanted to put a Heil logo on here. Because I want to keep that Tempstar logo, but anyway, this one's from 2022. It's a 5-ton. November of 2022. And here's Rheem Classic. (2014) 5-ton. It's got a scroll, so it's got a Protec fan motor. Yeah, I believe the motor got replaced sometime. Of course, this one has a Zhongshan Cloud Ocean. I don't know if I can put it higher. It feels like right here. It's good right there. I'm probably not gonna go take a look at the Arco. My hands are already starting to freeze a little bit. So that feels better. This panel's warm on the Classic. Probably the Century. Oh, yeah. I figured that would happen eventually. Now I don't think this thing. I'm surprised this thing has withstanded all the storms. This logo is actually crazy. It's withstanded like all the storms. But it's probably best to take it off until I get an actual Heil logo. Because I don't know if I want this Carrier logo being lost. I want it back. Safe in my logo collection. So I think it will just be a no-name unit for a while until I can find a Heil logo. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Yeah. Alright. There we go. And yeah, it hasn't faded at all. It's a really nice logo. So, yeah, back to having no logo. It's just, yeah, it's not a Carrier. I thought it was a Carrier for a while until Tio told me that the R4A5 is not a Carrier model. It is, in fact, an ICP model. So, yeah. Alright. My hands are freezing off, so thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.